Chang! Nurse K nga po pala ulit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today pala is November 4, 2025. Tuesday po ngayon. Itong video na to is magbe-blessing kasi yung center namin ngayong araw na to. Yes, after 2 months of soft opening, sa wakas, magbe-blessing na rin kami. So, yung video ko for today is more on mga clips lang kasi hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video. So, hiningi ko lang to sa mga kasama ko. So, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung nangyari or mangyayari ngayong araw na ito para kasama na rin sa documentation ko dito sa digital diary ko. So, tara mga chang, samahan niyo po kami.
Maganda video habang wala pang bisita. Nakikita ko.
Hindi ko nga alam kung ano eh.
On behalf of Kidney Care Dialysis Center managed by EG Healthcare, we're your hosts. I'm Gerald Duban.
I'm Kate Pamanigan.
And we're thrilled to guide you through this joyful milestone.
Without further ado, may we call on Miss Erin Bermido for opening prayer.
Yes.
Lord, we thank you for bringing us together on this special day as we open this new center. We are grateful for the opportunity, the people, and the blessings that made this possible. Lord, we ask for your divine presence to fill this place, that it may be a center of hope, healing, and compassion for all who enter.
Mr. Jackie Pan to say a few words.
Please give him a round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for being here. Our doctors, our suppliers, barangay officials, and partners and friends. We're truly grateful to celebrate the exciting day with all of you. Today is not just opening a new center or new building, it's also the new possibility to the people in Balibago and the nearby communities. With these hemodialysis centers, we hope to make life easier and more comfortable for patients who need regular dialysis. No more long trip, no more waiting far from home. We are here to bring care closer to where it's needed. I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone who made this possible, especially our hardworking teams, and also our trusted suppliers, and the local community who welcome us with open arms. We couldn't have done this without your support. So again, thank you for joining us on the special day. Maraming salamat, and welcome to our suppliers, officials, and partners and friends. We're truly grateful to celebrate the exciting day with all of you. Today is not just opening a new center or new building, it's also the new possibility to the people in hemodialysis center here in Balibago. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Sir Jackie.
So before we begin, allow me to recognize some very important guests who joined us today. Sir Jackie Pan, our General Manager.
Dr. Daniel Nicole Tiparas, our Medical Director.
Dr. Louie Anne-Marie Salvador Roque, nephrologist.
Dr. Rene Baltazar, nephrologist.
Dr. Jennifer Mendoza, nephrologist.
Dr. Mr. Maurice Wang,
Mr. Edward Chong,
Dr. Graig De Velez, Physician on Duty,
Dr. Clara Panelo, Physician on Duty,
Dr. Franco Puzon, our POD,
our barangay captain from Barangay Balibago, Ariel Gomez,
and then Pearl Angles from Direct Health Diagnostics. Please give them a round of applause. And then also we will welcome Architect Lobby. Thank you for coming despite of heavy rains. Thank you very much. And then may we call on Mr. Stephen Shi for his simple message to us. Please give him a round of applause.
Anyway, thank you all to join us to celebrate the opening blessing. For dialysis, we always believe that we're doing the things that can help the local community. So with the help from the doctors, from our partners, and of course, the team from EG, from Kidney Care Dialysis. So with your help, that we can do the right things for the local community. Thank you all.
This milestone represents more than progress. It embodies our shared vision of helping.
Yung mga body.
Buti wala si Samuel.
Kaya nga, buti wala si... Ando yung pasyente sa labas.
Kaya na pag po, yung nani yan, salamat.
Meron ka pa ba?
Ma'am, tinawa. Nag-360 siya.
Mr. 360.
Nagagawa pa rin kaming trabaho kahit blessing. Sir Benj! Magsa! So ayun mga chang, nandito ako ulit sa storage room namin. Dito na ako nag-video kasi marami mga nag-video ko pa doon. Baka mamaya makapirate yung video ko. So yun lang po for today's video, for today's vlog. Yun lang naman yung ganap for today. And thank you sa pagsama sa amin. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share mga chang. So thank you so much and see you again on my next vlog. Bye!